me invite on stage our Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of Century Pacific Food Inc., Mr. Greg Banzon, and the Vice President and General Manager for Granite Tuna Division, Mr. Carlo Endaya. We also have Marketing Manager of Century Tuna and Vanta Coco, Ms. Bea Valesca Martinez, and Senior Product Manager of Century Tuna, Ms. Marty Dator. Guys, give our Century Tuna fam a big warm round of applause.